Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a motorcycle license in the USA. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I found this cool guide from harleydavidson.com, so I'm just going to give you a brief outline of what you need to do. So you need to meet the basic eligibility requirements. So typically you must be at least 16 years of age and have a driver's license. So most states require you to have a valid automobile driver's license before applying for a motorcycle endorsement. Then you, from there, obtain a motorcycle learner's permit. So written tests, pass the written exam covering motorcycle laws, safety practices, and road signs. You need to complete a vision screening test. And with a learner's permit, you may face restrictions such as no night riding or carrying passengers. Then from there, we need to pass the road skills test. So on cycle test, demonstrate your ability to operate a motorcycle safely, including maneuvers like turning, stopping and swerving, and test waiver. So if you completed an improved safety course, you might be exempt from this test in certain states. Then from there, apply for your motorcycle license or endorsement. So you need to submit required documents, which may include proof of identity, residency, and completion of any required courses of tests, pay any applicable licensee fees, and your motorcycle qualification will typically be added as an endorsement to your existing driver's license. And I've got some additional tips here as well. So state variations requirements can differ between states, so it's essential to check with your local Department of Motor Vehicles, a DMV, for specific guidelines. And also free wheel motorcycles. Some states have distinct licensing requirements for freewheelers, which may include separate tests or endorsements. And if you're an international applicant, additional documentation such as a visa or social security information may be required.